You're not broken. Your mind is dormant power. Most people never awaken it. You feel limits that aren't real. Sage mode is awareness. It begins with attention. Distraction is the true enemy. Focus sharpens hidden circuit. Calm unlocks deeper intelligence. This is your turning point. The idea of sage mode is not mystical or reserved for a chosen few, but a practical state where clarity, discipline, and presence align into one focused way of living. When you enter this state, your brain stops reacting impulsively and starts responding deliberately, allowing you to think several steps ahead instead of being trapped in the moment. Most people live inside mental noise without realizing how loud it has become over time. And this noise slowly drains cognitive energy every single day. Sage mode begins the moment you decide to reduce that noise and reclaim your attention as something valuable rather than disposable. Your brain is constantly rewiring itself based on what you repeatedly focus on, whether that focus is intentional or accidental. When distractions dominate your day, your neural pathways adapt to shallow thinking. But when focus becomes a habit, depth naturally follows. Sage mode is trained through small, consistent actions rather than dramatic overnight changes that fade quickly. Each time you choose to finish a task without switching screens, you are strengthening the mental muscles required for sustained clarity. Breathing deeply and slowly may sound simple, but it directly signals safety to your nervous system and reduces cognitive overload. When your body feels calm, your brain becomes more capable of complex thought and creative insight. Information overload is one of the greatest threats to modern intelligence, not because information is bad, but because unfiltered consumption weakens judgment. Sage mode teaches you to consume less but understand more, transforming knowledge into wisdom. Silence is not empty space, but a training ground for your mind, where deeper thoughts finally have room to surface. In moments of intentional silence, your brain integrates experiences and forms insights that noise usually interrupts. The ability to delay gratification is one of the strongest predictors of long-term success and mental mastery. Sage mode develops when you practice choosing meaningful progress over instant pleasure, even when no one is watching. Your emotions are powerful signals, but without awareness, they quietly control your decision. Entering sage mode means observing emotions without being dragged by them, turning reactions into conscious responses. Physical movement is not separate from mental performance, as the brain thrives when the body is active and energized. Regular exercise increases blood flow and neurochemical balance, making focused thinking easier and more natural. Sleep is the hidden foundation of intelligence that many ambitious people ignore until burnout forces them to notice. Sage mode requires respect for rest because memory, learning, and emotional regulation depend on quality sleep. Your inner dialogue shapes your mental environment more than external circumstances ever could. When you consciously replace self-criticism with constructive guidance, your brain shifts from defense to growth mode. Discipline is not punishment, but a form of self-respect that protects your future self from chaos. Sage mode strengthens when you keep promises to yourself, even in small and seemingly insignificant ways. Deep work sessions train your mind to stay with complexity rather than escape discomfort. Over time, this ability compounds and allows you to solve problems others avoid or never fully understand. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts, but learning to see them clearly without attachment. Through this practice, sage mode emerges as you recognize which thoughts deserve attention and which should be released. Learning becomes exponentially faster when curiosity replaces pressure and comparison. In sage mode, the brain absorbs information naturally because it is driven by interest rather than fear of failure. Your environment either supports clarity or silently sabotages it every day. Simplifying your surroundings reduces decision fatigue and frees mental energy for higher-level thinking. The mind thrives on challenge but collapses under constant stress without recovery. Sage Mode balances intensity with restoration, allowing you to push limits without breaking yourself. Consistency matters more than intensity when building cognitive strength and mental clarity. Small daily rituals of focus gradually transform the brain in ways rare bursts of effort never can. Technology itself is neutral, but unconscious use turns it into a thief of attention. Sage Mode requires intentional boundaries that protect your focus from endless digital interruptions. Gratitude may seem emotional, but it has a powerful neurological effect on perception and resilience. When practiced daily, it rewires the brain to notice opportunity instead of limitation. Your identity is shaped by repeated behaviors rather than distant goals or motivational quotes. Sage Mode solidifies when you see yourself as someone who values depth, presence, and growth. Fear often disguises itself as procrastination or overthinking, quietly blocking progress. In Sage Mode, fear is acknowledged, understood, and used as a signal rather than an obstacle. Mastery of any skill follows the same pattern of deliberate practice and patient refinement. Sage Mode accelerates mastery by keeping attention anchored on improvement rather than outcome. You begin to notice that time feels different when your mind is fully engaged. Hours of focused work pass quickly, yet leave you energized instead of drained. Emotional regulation becomes easier as awareness increases and impulsive reactions decrease. Sage Mode creates space between stimulus and response, which is where true freedom exists. The brain craves meaning more than comfort, even though comfort feels tempting in the short term. When your actions align with purpose, motivation becomes stable, and self-reflection turns experience into wisdom by extracting lessons from both success and failure. Sage Mode thrives when you regularly review your actions with honesty rather than judgment. You stop seeking validation from others when internal standards become clear and strong. This shift brings quiet confidence and reduces the mental noise caused by comparison. Mental strength is built when you face discomfort voluntarily, instead of avoiding it. Sage Mode grows each time you stay present through challenge rather than escaping into distraction. Over time, clarity becomes your default state, rather than a rare moment of inspiration. Decisions feel simpler because your values and priorities are no longer confused. You realize that unlocking your brain's full potential is not about becoming superhuman. It is about removing what weakens you so what is already powerful can finally operate freely. Sage Mode is not a destination, but a way of living that deepens with practice. When you commit to this path, your mind becomes a calm, focused force capable of shaping the life you choose.